Hey, World Humanities. Today you are working on your projects, as always, but you only have today and tomorrow left because projects are due Friday before you leave the building. I need them in my hand, a hard copy printed and ready to go. A few quick reminders about the project. First of all, when you need to print to the upper IMC, and you may just go get it and then come right back to class. Do not be disruptive to Miss Neff in the IMC. Remember, it needs page numbers. So when you have everything printed, you're going to number each and every page, and then your table of contents needs to correspond to that. Page one, so you'll have a cover page, and then the table of contents, and then the page right after that is what you would start on page one. Okay. If you already did something else, it's fine as long as your table of contents is accurate. Okay. If you are done with your project, you might consider rehearsing. Set a timer. How long is it going to take you to go through the presentation? Remember, it needs to be between 6 and 7 minutes long. So rehearse that through a few times so that you're feeling comfortable about presenting that to your small groups starting next week. Behavior needs to be at its all-time best. Lately, we've had a lot of chit-chat, and we need to get a lot done in very little time. That being said, you need to put your cell phones away, and if there's a bunch of side conversation between groups, specifically a few tables that I'm thinking about, the sub is just going to ask you to leave. If that happens, just get up and do it. Please do not be disrespectful or cause an additional scene or disruption to class. All right. If you have questions, you can ask people sitting around you. They are all doing similar projects and probably can help you with layout and format, that kind of thing. Otherwise, I will be back tomorrow and we can touch base then. Thanks. Bye.